because Lisa sent me an email wanting to upgrade to VIP Plus, so now there's 2 packages left, but also wanted to know how I set up my binder. And I know I've referenced this previously, probably during one of the lives, so what I will do is go ahead and use this as the video that I will share for anyone wanting to know how I organize my binder. But just because this is the way I do it doesn't mean this is the way you have to do it. You can do it a totally different way. So this is the recipes binder that I have, and it is a 3-inch, and I have recipes on the side, and I have my paper in the back, and this is my main one. So I have not actually put together my carriers or hydrosols separate binders yet. I just got all of that stuff in the last day or two, so I haven't had a chance to implement. So for now, I have my carriers information right here in the front, and then I have my hydrosols information next. And what do I have next? Oh, I have some of these I have in page protectors, and some of them I just have 3-hole punched in there. So these are in page protectors. See, I have my dogs and essential oils here. And then I have my recipes. So that's what the rest of this is. So the allergies recipes for this month are here. I have the appetite recipes. I actually have duplicates. I have some in page protectors and some not, so I could show you guys the difference. The anxiety and stress. So I have like all of the rest of the recipes in here that we've had. So there's a lot of stuff in here already, as you can see. Additionally, for the months that we have the guides, I have a separate one. And for those of you that have been with me since last summer, when I was issuing the guides once per month before I started to include them in the club, so I have a separate binder for those as well, which is probably something that you also have if you were grabbing those at the time. So again, I have guides on the side, I have that on the back, and I have mine listed alphabetically. And that's how I find that I like to organize them. So green for immune system, we have pink for limbic, we have blue for, is that nervous system? We have wrinkles, skin, we have a whole bunch of different guides in here. And so that's how I organize that. Now, if you are just starting out, then you can absolutely put everything in one binder. Some of you, I know Anna has a bunch of these binders. Some of you will want to have a separate one for carriers, maybe a skinnier one, not a 3-inch. You might want to have a smaller one for carriers and hydrosols, but you'll grow into it because over time we will have at least 30, if not more, carriers, and then another 30, if not more, hydrosols. So that's how I organize my binders. You are free to do that however you want, though, but I hope that gives you an idea of what you can do. And if you want to share pictures of how you set up your binders, please feel free to drop those in the comments below. It'll be fun for everyone to see what that looks like. So here you go, Lisa. Hope you enjoy, as well as anyone else who is curious to know how I set up my binder.